Whoa guys, alright, Coconut Freaks is outside here after school, and you can see we're getting a little bit of weather here. A little bit of snow here. Apparently according to the news, this was just an appetizer to the snowstorm. And we're supposed to get up to like 6 to 8 inches apparently. So Coconut Freaks is going to video this, and I'm going to get comments like, I think we know what snow is, well, you know what, I'm going to video it. Really, nigga? I'm going to keep you guys updated, and I will get back to you guys when we have a little update. Well guys, this is an update in the Winter Wonderland. Hopefully we won't have school. I'll be back in the morning. Hopefully there's more. Well guys, Coconut Freaks is officially having a snow day. It's 11:15. Haven't had a snow day in like 2 years. Didn't have one last year. Didn't have one the year before, I don't think either. Yay. Look at the pretty snow. Look at that. Looks like a little bunny hopping along.